My name is Samath. So welcome to my science English class. Today I'm going to teach you about animal life. That is for the basic science. Okay, so animals come in all shapes and size. Please name some animals that are tiny. So animal that is very small. So here, yes, we have flea, mite, lice, ant, and termite. So those are tiny animals. Please name some animals that are huge. So we have just like elephant, whales, and hippo. What do all animals have in common? So we just know that all animals have complicated bodies made from many tiny cells. Animals must obtain their nutrition by eating other living things, mainly plants and other animals. All animals have a nervous system that sends messages around the body. So these 3 points that is about all animals have in common. Note, nervous system. So animal is so different from a plant. So all animals have a nervous system. So what is the nervous system? So nervous system are your brain and nerves that create the senses that make you aware of your surroundings. So yes, so that is a nervous system. Okay, so all the information that you got from your 5 senses, okay, like the 5 senses, like sense of hearing, sense of seeing, sense of touching, sense of tasting, and sense of smelling. Okay, so that is for all animals have. So that all the 5 senses that all animals have. Okay, so we have vertebrates and invertebrates animals. Okay, so scientists classify millions of different animals species into groups. Every animal is either a vertebrate or an invertebrate. So you have to understand what is vertebrate animal and what is invertebrate animals. So vertebrate animals are animals with a backbone inside their bodies. Humans, horses, dogs, frogs, fish, lizards, snakes, and birds are the vertebrate animals. So as I said again, vertebrate animals, all animals with a backbone, okay, in their bodies. So like human, yes, so human has backbones. Look at here, the skeleton of the humans. The frog has the backbones. Snake, or you can say cobra, they have backbones. Gorilla, yes, so gorilla has backbone like this. So yes, now we are talking about invertebrate animals. Invertebrate animals are animals without bones inside their bodies. Some invertebrates, such as insects and crabs, have bodies that are hard on the outside. Others, such as worms, slugs, and jellyfish, have soft bodies. So again, invertebrate animals, all animals without bones. Okay, so without backbones or without bones, you call it invertebrate animals. For example, slug, no bones, even it has a shell, okay, hard shell. Yes, crabs, I think is insect, yes. So those animal has no backbones or has no bones, and you call it the invertebrate animals. Yeah, jellyfish, worm, earthworm, okay, and squid. Yes, so those creatures are called invertebrate animals. So now we will learn more specific vertebrates. So vertebrates, there are 5 different groups of animal with bones. Okay, so we classify 5 groups of animals with backbones. Okay, so these are mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, and amphibians. Okay, so we have to learn more specific one by one. Okay, so mammals. So when I say mammals have warm blood, mostly give birth to live young, feed their young with milk, and last often have fur or hair on their skins. So that is the characteristic of mammals. Yes, so the mammal should be dog, horse, monkeys, yeah, and also bat. So those animals feed their young by milk. Yes, okay. Number 2 is birds. So here's some characteristic of birds: have warm blood, lay eggs, have feathers on their bodies. Okay, so here eagles, duck. Number 3 is reptiles. So here's some characteristic of reptiles: have cold blood, mostly lay egg. Through some snakes keep their egg inside their bodies until they hatch. Lay their egg on land, have body covered with scales. So here is the picture of reptiles, just like crocodile, snake, lizard, turtle. So those are reptiles. Number 4 is fish. There are some characteristics of fish: have cold blood, live in water, lay their egg in water, breathe through gills, and swim with fins. Okay, so here the picture of fish. And the last, number 5, is amphibians. So amphibians have cold blood, live in water as young, lay their egg in water, can live on land as adult. For example, like frog or toad. Okay. Fascinating fact: the blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. It lives in water, but it is a mammal, not a fish. It has warm blood and feeds its young with milk. Okay, so whale, not fish, not a fish, okay, but it is a mammal, okay, a mammal. Invertebrates. There are many more kinds of invertebrate animals than vertebrates. This picture shows just some of the different invertebrate groups. So we have insects. Insects have 6 legs and 3 main body parts. Many have wings and can fly. There are more kinds of insects than any other group of animals. Bees, ants, beetles, flies, butterflies, termites, mantises, and dragonflies are just some of the different types. Yes. Arachnids. Arachnids are small animals similar to insects, but with the different numbers of body parts and legs, like spiders, scorpions, ticks and mice are arachnids, mostly has 8 legs. Molluscs, like slugs and snails, are molluscs. Molluscs have soft bodies. Though some make hard shell for protection, mollusks do not have legs, but many move on a strong muscular foot. The octopus and squid have tentacles to catch their prey. Yes, so here the pictures of mollusks. Crustaceans. Crustaceans usually live in the water. A few live in damp places on land. The outside of their bodies is hard, often with many parts or segments. Like crabs and lobsters are crustaceans with 10 legs. Woodlice have 14 legs. Yes, here the example of crustaceans. Worms. Worms have long, thin, soft bodies with no legs. The body of an earthworm is divided into many segments. It moves by stretching the front of its body forwards, then pulling the breast up behind. Okay, here the earthworms. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Samath, and please like and hit the bell for our new notification, and click all for my new video. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.